Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a charity website. In fact, I'll be showing you how to make your charity website for free. The platform that we'll be using for this example is Google Sites. With Google Sites, you'll be able to create a website completely free, and it is also easy to use and customize. So the first thing you want to do is go onto sites.google.com. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on blank site in the top left hand corner. After you have done that, you're going to tap right where you see page title. And since we are creating a charity, for this example, I was thinking to create a charity for disabled dogs. So I'll simply type in right here, help out our friends. So I'll type it in right here just for example's sake. Help out our little friends. So you can see it right there. You can also edit it. You could change the font style if you want. You can also change the background image if you want. Once you're finished, we're going to go to this section. So we're going to start adding some content. To add content, you can choose the different content blocks that you want to use. So we're going to tap on this content block right here. So we are going to be adding an image, and we are also going to be adding some text. So all I did was simply go onto google.com, and I did a quick Google search, and I found some images that I could use. Now for the content, I used AI, so I went onto ChatGPT, and I simply typed in, I'm creating a charity website for disabled dogs. Could you write a short article describing the challenges of a dog and why it is a good idea to contribute? And you can see right here. So all I'll be doing is simply copy and pasting the introduction section right here. But if you want, you could copy the entire section. So you could copy the entire article. But we'll go back into Google Sites, and right where you see click to edit text, we're going to tap right there. Then from here, we could add the title. Let me add the title first. So I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to copy the title. So let's copy the title real quick. So we are going to copy the title, go back here, and we are going to paste the title right here. After you have added the title, you can now edit it. So we are going to highlight it, and I'm going to be changing the font size. So we are going to select this option. Let me tap right here real quick. Then I'm going to tap on black, and you can see it right there. And this is the title section. So we'll tap on title. Then we're going to select heading, or you can select title, whichever one suits you. So after doing that, you can see it right there. It changed back. Let me select black once more. Now it is time to add the text. We'll go back into ChatGPT, and as stated earlier, I'm going to copy the introduction section, and I'm going to paste it right here. After I've done that, I'm going to add the image. So I'll simply tap here, tap on the plus, and we'll be adding our image. So we're going to tap on upload. After selecting upload, I'll select one of the images that I've downloaded, then select open, and you can see it right there. You can also edit the image size, so that looks good. Now after you have done that, it is now time to add the donation section. To create your donation, I recommend that you use PayPal. While you could create a GoFundMe or so on, the reason why I recommend PayPal is it is trustworthy and a popular company, so a lot of persons know it, so they won't hesitate when you give them a PayPal link. It is also easy to set up, and you don't have to worry about any hidden fees or so on. To create your donation link on PayPal, you'll first need to go onto paypal.com. Then you're going to tap on the settings cog in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on the settings cog, you're going to select seller tools in the top right hand corner. After selecting seller tools, scroll down, and you're going to select PayPal buttons. Once on PayPal buttons page, I want you to tap on donate. After selecting donate, you will be redirected to this page and you have a few options. You could choose to create a link, or you could choose to create a button or start a campaign. For this example, we will be selecting start a campaign. After you have selected start a campaign, you'll be redirected to this page. At the moment, you can see a preview of how it looks right here. So this is how it looks at the moment. And on the left hand menu option, you can add in your campaign name. So you can add in your campaign name right there. You can also add in your campaign goal and currency. So let's say, for example, our goal is to collect $10,000. You can set an end date if you want, but I will leave it as is. You can choose whether you'd like to collect any amount or you only want to collect a set amount. You can also choose that right there. Once you're finished, as you can see right here, so this is how it looks at the moment. You can also preview it on mobile by tapping on mobile, as you can see right there. So this is how it will look. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on continue. So let's tap on continue real quick. After tapping on continue, you can see right there, you'll now be able to add a cover image. So we are going to tap on upload image, then tap on drag and drop. And from here, we are going to simply add one of the images that I had downloaded earlier. So let's say, for example, this image right here. So I'll select the image. You can see it right there. You can see it right there. And I'm going to tap on save. So that will be our cover image. And you can see how it looks right there. That is the preview. So that is how it looks. If you like to display a logo, you can do that. If you'd like to write a compelling story, you could add a compelling story right there. Once finished, you're going to tap on continue. After selecting continue, you can set up your payment page. So if you would like to get your donor's mailing address or so on, you can do that. But we don't want to do that, so we'll tap on continue. After tapping on continue, you can see right here, this is how it looks at the moment. And we're going to tap on right where you see create a button for your website. You could do that. So we're going to tap right there. After doing that, we're going to simply scroll down. You can select the button style and so on. And we're going to tap on publish. Once you have selected publish, I will show you what to do next. So here you can see it has now been published. So all we'll need to do, we'll simply scroll down. You can see how it looks by selecting preview. We could select preview. This is how it looks at the moment. You can see it right there. That is how it will look. So all we'll need to do now, we are going to simply scroll down. And by the way, you can see that you can also get a QR code if you want. But we are going to select embed a card. Once you have selected embed a card, you'll simply scroll down, tap on copy to clipboard. So you're going to tap on copy to clipboard right there. Then we are going to go back into Google Sites. Once on Google Sites, you are going to tap on embed from the right hand menu option. After selecting embed, you're going to tap on embed code and you're going to paste the code right here that you have copied. After pasting the code, you're going to tap on next. Once you have selected next, you're going to see a preview of the donation page that we have created, as you can see right here, and you will simply tap on insert. Once you have selected insert, you can see that it is being inserted right there. Once it has been added, you can edit the size by simply pulling along right here. So you can increase or decrease the size of the donation page. So let's do that real quick. So you can pull it out, as you can see right there. Once it is to your liking, I do believe that this looks good. Once it is to your liking, you can simply tap on publish in the top right hand corner for your website to go live. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.